Hello, I'm Roger.
Hi, I'm Sandy, and we're really excited about our new home. And we really want to thank Lisa for helping us find this beautiful, beautiful house.
Yeah, we came up to visit Sandy's sister who lives in Santa Maria. And she, we're just killing time. And so she wanted to go out and show us some houses and stuff. And she said there's a new build of 2 houses over here on Hummel. And she lived right up here in Orcutt, and that's where this really is. So we came over and looked at it. It was an open house, and and Sandy, what were your feelings when you walked in?
I love the house. I was ready to buy it instantly. I loved living down in San Diego. We had a really cute house down there, but I just love this whole area for lots of different reasons. But the house was incredibly beautiful.
Yes, and I had lived in San Diego for 60 years and watched it change. And when we came up here, it's just so much less stress, a slower pace of life, and it has everything that you'd want. So we were real happy to look at it that way. Then we decided to go ahead and came back up after Lisa put it on the listing and decided that we're going to try and buy it. So things kind of worked out. Lisa was able to get us a real good agent down in San Diego, JJ and Jennifer. And nice, aggressive people, but yet they were still kept in mind, people are people and you got to be good with them. So they really did a great job. We got above what we were asking, which not really unusual, but was really good for it.
And they also were able to sell the house within 3 days, which was really a nice relief.
Yeah.
Except we had to get packed pretty quickly because they wanted to close within 21 days. So that made it a little bit more challenging. But we love it up here, and we're just so grateful that we were able to move to this beautiful home.
Yeah, and Lisa, our agent up here, has just been fantastic. She has gone out of her way, above and beyond the call of duty, so to speak. Has really helped with the buying and selling of the houses with Lisa's involvement. As I mentioned, she's just, even after the sale of the house, we had a few questions about some stuff, and she took care of it very quickly. And we're looking forward to a long, beyond just a realtor relationship.
She's really helped us find contractors for the few things we wanted to do in the patio in the backyard and taking care of the yard, and it's been really good representing companies that are doing a great job for us and just giving us a lot of good advice. I love it up here. My sister lives up here. Lisa's dad built her house over 40 years ago, and they have lived there and loved their house, and it's just like brand new over there. So we're very impressed, and she was here to kind of give us some ideas, and she was all for our getting this house as well. So it was really an easy move, although we did have to get out of the house pretty quickly in San Diego. But this house was available, and I love the house. That's all I can say. I know I keep saying that over and over again, but it's true. It's just such a beautiful, comfortable home.
Yeah, it's so much nicer than what we had in San Diego. Down there, the traffic and the people, the homeless and all that kind of stuff. But up here, it's just so much nicer.
I'm Lisa, a lot cleaner, with Lifestyle Homes by Lisa and eXp Realty. And as always, I'm bringing you results that move you. Give me a call.